Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Sayyid Abdul Rahman. I am student of grade 8B at Indian School, Doha, Qatar. In previous video, the we discussed question number 6, and the answer of question number 6. And in this video, we are going to discuss on question number 7 from the exercise 11.2, the chapter mensuration. Now, let's begin. In the question, they have asked us, the floor of a building consists of 3,000 tiles, which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor. If the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Now what they are saying, in our daily life, we see many constructions going on in our surroundings. Many constructions going on in our surroundings. Each building, each house, each room is needed with the flooring, with the tile, with the polishing, with the like we have to know the cost needed for the polishing the floor. Everything is related with the maths. Everything is related with our daily life situations, based on construction. So let's begin. So in this question they are asking us, they have given us a rhombus. Now this type of rhombus. Now they have given us the height. The two sides are diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So one is 30 centimeter and one is 45 centimeter. What we have to do is first we have to write the diagonals. Diagonals is equals to 40 and 35 centimeter. Where's this truth? Let's see. And 30 meter. Now these both are the diagonals. Now what they are asking is area of the rhombus, area of the tiles, the rhombus. Area of rhombus is equals to, I'm gonna write here. Now what they have given us that in the question they are asking the 3,000 tiles. So the question which they are asking, I didn't explain you. The question which they are asking is there are 3,000 tiles in a room, and each their diagonals are 32 centimeter, 30 centimeter and 45 centimeter. It's 45. I wrote wrong. Sorry. It's 45 centimeter. So 45 centimeter. Now what we have to do is half into D into D1 into D2. As I told you, half into the product of diagonals, for finding the diagonals. Here we are using the area, so which is equal to half into 45 into 30. Now we are going to multiply them. First what we are going to do, into 45 by 1 into 30 by 1. It's 30. Then 2 and 15. This we are going to cut. It's 15. Then this will be 15 and this will be 1. Now all ones are cutted. And now what we are going to do is multiply them. 45 into 15. Now let's do it here. 45 into 15 Now 5 5 is 25, 5 here, and 5 4 is 20 plus 2 22. 1 5 is 5, then 1 4 is 4 as itself. Then 6 7 5. Now what we have got, the answer is 675 centimeters square is equals to 675 meters square, centimeter square. It's centimeter square. Now we have found the area of this area of the rhombus, which was important for us. Now we did this hole, and we found the area, which is 675 meters square. Now they were asking, in this question there were two parts. So in one part they were asking us the area of each tile, the area of each rhombus. Now what we have to do is we have to multiply the 675 centimeters square. Now they are asking the whole area, the area of the whole floor they are asking. So what we have to do, we have found only the area of only one tile. Now we are going to multiply 675 into 3000. It's 3000 given there. All now what is 3000? 3000 is the total of all the tiles given. So it's 5. Yes, it's 5. 675 into 3000. So we are gonna do this here. Just a second, sorry. 3,000,000 into 675. All three zeros as it is. Now 3 5s are 15. Now I wrote it. Now 0, again 0, 000. Then 3 7s are 21. Then 0, here again 0, 000. Then 3 6s are 18. So 18 here. Now this is all zeros. This will be 5. This will be 2. This will be 10. 2 plus 8, 10. Then here 1 plus 1. Then this will be 0. And then this will be 2. So this is the total answer which we found. Now how can we say this is 2,025,000? I will write it here in the standard form. 2,025,000 meters square. Now this is the whole area. Now what we have to do is we have to find the cost of polishing the whole area. Now what we are going to do is 25. We are going to convert this into the decimals. 20. We are going to convert this into the decimals. So what we were doing, now what we have to do, we have to convert them into the decimals. So 2, we are going to do it here, or we can do it here, it's okay. And then 2,025,000. Now we have to multiply them, we have to divide them by 2 hundreds. 100 into 100. Now for what we are doing this, we have to make it into the decimal. So for that reason we have got these 2 hundreds. Now what we are going to do is cut these 2 zeros here, and cut these 2 zeros here, and cut this 1 0 here. Now what we are going to do, this 0 place from here we are going to take. So the decimal point is going to come here, because there is only 1 0 left. So the decimal point will come from here. Now this will also be cancelled. Now the total decimal is 202.5 centimeters square. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 4. We have to multiply it by 4. How? Okay, so in the question they have given So in the question, what value they have given us? They have given find the total cost of the polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Now they are saying rupees 4. Now each tile is rupees 4. They are saying one tile is rupees 4. So we are going to multiply them this number with 202.5 with 4. We are going to multiply 202.5 into 4. Now we are going to do this here, the calculations. 202.5 into 4. Now 4 5s are 20, 2 carry upon here, 4 2s are 8, plus 2, 10, again one more 0, 4 1s are 4, then we 1, because 4 into 0 0, then the 1 here carry upon, then 2 4 2s are 8. Now what we have got with the decimal place, the decimal point is here. So the after one place, so we'll put the decimal point here, and which is equal to 810 rupees. 810. So this is the final answer for the rupees. Now what we did was, first we took the diagonals given in the question. Then we did these calculations and we found 675 meter square, then centimeter square. Then what we did, we multiplied them by the whole number of tiles, by the all tiles. Then what we got was 2,025,000 centimeter square. Then what we did, it's centimeter here. Then what we did was, we divided them by 100 into 100 for getting the decimals. Then when we got this number 202.5 centimeter square, we multiplied it by the rupees, by the cost of polishing the per tile. Then what we got the answer when we did was rupees 810. This was the cost. Thank you.